Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm down in my Radio Shack. It's about 4 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida, and I think I'm getting Radio Romania. I mean, look at these strong signals, and the noise level is way down. Look at that, way down. If we go to this website right here, WM7D, I just refreshed the page, which I sometimes forget to do. The solar flux index is only 114, but the A index is down to a 6 and the K is a 0. So the noise level should be low, which it looks like it is. So let's go back here. I'm using my Megaloop antenna. Like I say, it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon here in Clearwater, Florida. And if I turn on a plug-in here called Fran, it should tell me. I don't have a new database. It's not too old. Okay, I'll use this one. And there are displays that I have to zoom out or in so I can, yep, that says Radio Romania. That's what I was thinking it is. So I think I'm getting Radio Romania. Let's listen to it for a few more seconds and see if we can get. The signal is pretty small. Coming up. I mean, this isn't the best time to be listening, although right now is when at my location shortwave reception starts improving, and it improves up past sundown for about an hour after sundown is it when it's most likely the best, and then through the night it's better than the daytime. So I am really encouraged about listening to shortwave once again. And I do have, I think you can see it down in the lower right-hand corner. I got my camera down there. You can see that I do have my switch. I only use this switch for receive. It's a cheap switch. Allows me to connect 3 either antennas if I go one way or radios the other way. This is my Mega Loop coming in, and I've got it going to Big Bertha over that way. And then down here, it's going to the Grundig 750. And over here, it's going up here to my RSP DX, which is what you're seeing right now. I really have to sit down and read the manual for this SDR Uno. I've been away from it so long, I forgot, how you optimize reception. Like for instance, sometimes you don't want maximum gain. You want to turn that down. Sometimes it'll help. You got these filters over here. Got noise blanker, notch filters. You got all this stuff you can do to improve your signal. I have not tried the possible, I don't know I haven't read the updates. Supposedly they were going to add some things to the scanner function, which I requested and several other people requested. But I'm really encouraged. So, hey, it's finally that time. It cooled off today here in Florida, got down to like 54 degrees. I think it's, I thought I don't have an outdoor sensor in this room. It's probably maybe 70 degrees now, but it will warm back up. I need to still reinstall my 31-foot vertical antenna. That sometimes does better than a Megaloop. Although right now, my best antenna for shortwave reception is the Megaloop antenna. It it does a great job, and it's very inexpensive. So that's about it. I could scan the band a little bit for you. I could go back and let's turn this plugin off so it doesn't clutter the screen so much. Unload plugins. Okay, so now the screen is clean and I can zoom back out. Am I going the right direction? Yes, I am. So you can see quite a few signals here. Now, what I did is I selected the 31 meter band from this option here. There's all the meter bands for shortwave. By doing that, it also selects the other parameters for you. Now, if I clear this, but now you're restricted to just, in this case, 31 meter band. If I wanted to go to say the 41 meter band, I could select that. Or if I want to go outside the international broadcast bands, I could just clear that and then I could put anything up on the spectrum and tune anything I want to. You can also go up here to bands and you can select the ham upper and lower bands, the AM band, the HDR. That's a function of this particular receiver. It has this high definition receiver function that's supposed to improve reception. I haven't used it yet. And in these windows, you can do all kinds of things with them. Expand this. See there? I mean, there's so much you can do in this software that you can't do with like a Grundig 750. I really have gone, I call it gone to the dark side, and I enjoy using software-defined radios, which are controlled by programs like this on your PC. I think that's about it. Again, I want to get the other antenna up. That's my second best antenna. The MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna it was my best until I got the Mega Loop. If you have anything else that you'd like me to do, I'll be glad to try to do a show on it. I did get a request to go back and show some basic functions and tips and tricks for people that are new to shortwave radio. To me, shortwave radio have become more and more important because of all the things that are going on in the world. I like to hear international broadcast and hear what other people are saying, like the BBC. I like to listen to that. You can do that with a program on the internet, but I like the experience of hunting and pecking for stations. Like here's a good strong station right here. Let me see what that is. If I can get it. We'll zoom in there so I can get it a little better. That's pretty close. Let me see what it says or saying. Hey, preacher! Oh, preacher man. Okay. That's probably out of Nashville, Tennessee. I say it's a preacher man. The original preacher man, Dr. Scott, is dead, but there still is this station, and they sometimes rebroadcast some of his old shows, which I only use it as a reference to see, how his signals are, which they got a great signal right now. Here's another biggie right down here. Let's look at that one just briefly. Unmuted.
Did not oppose the government. He said whatever belongs to the theater returns to the theater.
Yes.
So he was not like a revolutionary soldier.
9395. Let me just look that up real quick for you.
He was just quietly teaching his disciples, whoever came to him for help spiritually, and they still crucified him.
What did I say? I forgot
What
already.
did he do to deserve that?
He didn't deserve that.
95.
No.
9395.
He didn't even hurt
9395. Boy, that's coming in clear.
He only helped.
I'm going to put it exact. See what I found. I love this website. Oh, no wonder. It's WRMI in Okeechobee, Florida. Oh, no wonder it's coming in clear. Okay. I like to listen to this station. Here's all the possible things that they're broadcasting at different times of the day. Let's see if we can find. I think that's probably UTC, which is, oh, it's highlighted. Supreme Master TV. 20, see, it's 16 plus, yeah, that's that. I didn't realize that highlighted that. The new function he's got, or I've missed it before. Yep, even they're coming in, booming in. Now sometimes, let me mute this, good grief. Hate competition. Sometimes I can't get them, even though they're down in South Florida and I'm in Central Florida, because the signal does something where they claim it goes over your head. But this is booming in. I mean, that's beautiful signal down here, nice and clean, no noise on it. Man, I'm excited about shortwave right now. If it continues to improve today, I think it's great today. If it continues to improve, that will be awesome. So get out your radios, hook up your antennas, and start listening to shortwave. And give us a comment on some of the things you're receiving, and we can try them on my radios. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing things that you're interested in and not just wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.